improvement from what we did back in December. It was so interesting to see all of the pictures earlier, that all of these students that we've created, whether it's band, orchestra, or choir, we've created a community of musicians here, and then they go off to do county, and then there's a new community of musicians, and then they go off to do all state, and then there's a new community of musicians, and then kids graduate, and then there are all these communities that we have. And it's exciting to see my 5th graders who aren't able to do anything on these instruments. Suddenly, they get here to middle school, and you can hear what we've done. Then they go to high school, and all of this school stuff and all of these different schools that we have going on around Mountain House, suddenly they get to the high school and we've created that community, and that's very exciting. A few months ago, I went to a conference, and I ran into this person who's now a colleague, and we were talking, and it turns out he is friends with one of my former students. That I didn't start this student in 4th grade, but he was my student in 6th grade all the way through high school. And I said, oh, this is cool, now we have a community. So I texted this student, sees what he's doing. He's in New York City, and I said, well, are you still playing? He's a double bass player. I'm like, are you still playing? This is fantastic. He's like, of course, I'm joining this community orchestra. And so I think that that's what we hope for all of these students, that it's this vertical nature, that it's a lifetime involvement. That they start in 5th grade, middle school, high school, they go to college, they play, and then suddenly they're in a community orchestra. And I don't know, I can't ask for anything more. And you know that this kid, who was so itty-bitty, I don't know, 10 years ago or whatever it was, you know that he's dragging his double bass up some 5-story walk-up in the city, like hobbling up the stairs. I mean, that's what's important. So congratulate these students, congratulate them on the first year of orchestra, but then see them through all the way to high school, college, so that they can play for their life. We're going to finish with, go ahead, yeah. We're going to finish our music and our concert tonight with a piece called Storm. And although I just gave a very uplifting talk, this is sort of a very dark piece. Please forgive us.